You wouldn't drive around like this, so you need to maintain your wiper blades. Ineffective wiper blades put you, your passengers, and other road users at risk, especially during wet weather when your vision can be obscured by spray from the vehicle in front of you. And the issues of poor visibility are only made worse at night. Like all of the moving parts on your car, the wiper blades and arms are subject to wear and tear and need to be replaced from time to time. There are two parts to the wiper blades and the wiper blade arm assembly. The wiper blade arm assembly keeps the wiper blade's pressure on the windscreen to give a clean, even wipe. Wiper blades are inexpensive and should be changed on average twice a year. If you experience any streaking, chattering, or split blades, then for your safety, it's time to get new blades or a new blade assembly. When you bring your car into your local Repco Authorised service centre, the condition of your blades will be checked as a standard part of our 65-point vehicle inspection. We want to get on top of things early to save you money and keep you safe on the road. Book in or book online today.